More than 33,000 people have died from COVID-19 in Florida, and there have been over 2 million cases in the state.
Local health officials say there's still hesitation about getting vaccinated, whether it be fear of the unknown and a history of neglect for the underserved communities. Jenese Harris is here now with a look at how they're working to address concerns. Jenese?
Local health officials with the President National Association of Health Services Executives, the Florida chapter, came together this evening to reflect on the last year of fighting COVID-19. Virtually, top health officials of Jacksonville talked about the medical challenges of COVID-19.
From a physician standpoint, I think one of the big challenges is obviously it's just the nature of this virus. Remember, this started off as something we thought was a respiratory illness, then it became a cardiac illness, now it's a neurologic illness, now it's a little bit of everything, causes blood clots, and now has created a series of patients, long haulers.
Dr. Haley said digital and telehealth have come to the forefront, a renewed reason for academics, and he's been updating his staff weekly to keep them ahead and prepared for the fight against COVID-19, a fight that everyone has suffered from, but especially the minority community.
The role of the Black church has to be very sensitive to mental health challenges as well as health challenges across the spectrum.
Holmes is a part of a statewide task force to educate and get more minorities vaccinated, a task force that has local ties with Edward Waters College, vaccination site, and the recent door-to-door awareness campaign. Holmes says less than 20% of minorities have been vaccinated, but his goal is 70% to get closer to herd immunity. Despite the pandemic, local officials believe this tragedy has forced the healthcare industry to be better at protecting the public.
I think the healthcare industry is stronger now than we were pre-COVID.
Though the pandemic is far from over, health officials are beginning to see a shift as more people are getting vaccinated and taking precautions to protect themselves from COVID-19. To track the latest of the COVID-19 information and vaccines, visit our website, news4jax.com.